With the new Samsung QN90A Neo QLED TV, Samsung says it is giving you one of the best QLED TVs with brilliant and great picture quality and Neo Quantum Processor 4K for an optimized viewing experience. Here's an honest review of the Samsung QN90A Neo QLED TV. The Samsung QN90A Neo QLED TV really defines the smart in smart TV because it is still one of the best TVs you can purchase right now, loaded with interesting smart feature capabilities, such as the voice control assistants Google Assistant and Alexa, which we'll find out more on later in the video. The QN90A promises to flawlessly outperform other mid and high-end OLED TVs, such as the LG C1, thanks to the Neo Quantum 4K processor and quantum dot display technology that boosts brightness.
It's really bright.
Generally, this TV produces accurate colors, great HDR brightness, an amazing contrast ratio, and the Tizen Smart platform, which we will discuss more on as well later on in the video. Design and display. The Samsung QN90A comes with a super slim 1-inch thin frame and detachable bezels that essentially separates the panel from the chassis. With a resolution of 4K, 3840 by 2160, the Samsung QN90A utilizes Samsung's Neo QLED technology, which is basically the combination of Samsung's quantum dot color and mini LED technologies working together, and powered by the Neo Quantum 4K processor. It produces cutting-edge local dimming zones that have the ability to produce deeper blacks for up to 448 different LED zones, along with more contrast, more peak brightness, and a wider color range than the LG C1 and Samsung's wide-angle technology, which is included in the V8 panel type to help it maintain color and contrast, better giving you a great viewing experience. The QN90A comes with a sleek and lightweight solar cell remote that uses rechargeable batteries rather than regular AAA batteries, and also has a solar panel that utilizes natural sunlight to charge the remote's battery. It, however, has a limited number of buttons, but it comes with specifically designated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and Samsung TV, plus as well as a microphone trigger for voice control use.
Hold on, I've got the remote.
Gaming. The Samsung QN90A Neo QLED TV offers 2 USB 2.0 ports and 4 HDMI connectors. But however, only one of those 4 ports supports HDMI 2.1, which enables eARC, auto low latency mode, and variable refresh rate, and they are comparable with PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. The Samsung QN90A supports fantastic gaming features, such as the variable refresh rate, and its 120Hz enables quick response time, as well as the HDR gaming on the QN90A is fantastic thanks to its incredibly quick response speed and minimal input lag that allows for fluid motion when gaming. As mentioned earlier, one of its downsides is that it has only one HDMI connection that supports HDMI 2.1. So for instance, if you connect your PS5 and Xbox Series X at the same time, you won't be able to fully utilize both devices at the same time. Additionally, it is compatible with G-Sync and supports FreeSync. One more downside here is that while it has a fantastic contrast ratio, the local dimming feature isn't so good in gaming mode. Performance. The Samsung QN90A utilizes Samsung's Tizen Smart TV software, which provides you with both a dependable and wide range of apps, such as Disney Plus and HBO Max for all your favorite series and movies. One interesting fact here is that Tizen offers the Apple TV app for access to content on Apple TV Plus and iTunes without actually having an Apple TV. The QN90A is compatible with home assistants, such as the SmartThings smart home system, Google Assistant, and Alexa, which you can connect and use to control other smart devices in your home. And you can ask Alexa and Google Assistant for weather updates using the microphone on the QN90A's rechargeable remotes. Additionally, the Samsung QN90A has a webcam that is compatible with Google Duo, which you can use to make video calls with over 10 people. Price. One great thing about the QN90A is that it is less expensive than LG's G1 OLED, with the TV available in 55, 65, 75, and 85-inch screen sizes. While the LG C1's 48-inch sells at $1,299.99, the 55-inch at $1,499.99, the 65-inch at $2,099.99, the 77-inch at $3,299.99, and the 83-inch at $5,499.99. The Samsung QN90A's 55-inch QN55 QN90A model comes with a price tag of $1,799.99, the 65-inch QN65 QN90A model at $2,599.99, the 75-inch QN75 QN90A model at $3,499.99, and the 85-inch QN85 QN90A model selling at $4,999.99. Our verdict: the Samsung QN90A is a fantastic TV with some great features as well, offered in different sizes based on your preference.
Just how you like it.
This has been a Neo QLED TV review. Now, how about you check out an equally brilliant QD OLED TV, the Sony A95K QD OLED TV.